Hi boys and girls, it's Miss White. Today we are on lesson 108. Make sure you have it out and you have your name on it. We're going to start with some spelling sounds like always. Number 1, we are going to do X. That is X. Number 2, we're going to do W. W. Number 3, we're going to do T. That's T, or as a final sound, T or E, D. Number 4, we're going to do S. That's S, comma, C, or as a final sound, S, SS, SE, or CE. Number 5 is AW. That's AU, or as a final sound, AW. Number 6, R, that's AR. Number 7, OR, OR. Number 8, QU, QU. Number 9, V, or as a final sound, VE. And number 10 is BULL, that's that final stable syllable, BLE. Alrighty, go ahead and make sure you have these down before I erase them. And we're going to move on to spell a couple of words. Let's spell on number 11, right. This has that trigraph IGHT in it. So and then IGHT, right. Number 12, we're going to spell sick, S, S, I, and then as that final K sound is a CK. Go ahead and make sure you have those down, and then we're going to talk about our new digraph today. All right, let's look at these words. Say these words with me. We have phone, phonics, phrase. What do you notice about the beginning sound in there? It's that f sound, right? But do you know what letters are making that f sound in the beginning? It's this PH digraph. All right. So when we code it, we're going to underline the PH digraph like that. A little confusing, isn't it? But the PH sound makes that sound. Let's practice spelling a couple of words. On number 13, we are going to spell phone, which I just spelled, so it's that PH. Then O, N. And to make the O say its name, we're going to have an E at the end. Number 14, we have graph, G, R, A, R, A, and then that f at the end is the PH. Number 15 is phonics. So we have that PH at the beginning, N, I, K. And then we use C because it's 2 syllables, and that's where we use that C. Phonics. All right. Also, real quick, our picture card for this, we have a phone. So when we see phone, we'll know phone, that PH. All right, make sure you have these down, and we're going to move on to coding. All right, our first word to code is phase. Number 16, phase. We're going to underline our digraph PH, and then we have a consonant E. We cross off the E, the A gets a macron. Number 17, gopher. You know what a gopher is? It's like a little, I don't know, like a little rodent thing outside that kind of gets into under your grass and stuff like that. So we're going to underline our PH, digraph. Our ER is a combination ER. And then our O, oh gosh, do we have a vowel consonant pattern here too? We do. We have vowel. Remember, this counts as one consonant because it's a blend. It says together and then consonant. And so in this case, we could say golfer or gopher, and we know it's gopher, so we're going to draw our line here, and our O gets a macron. Number 18 is orphan. So our PH gets underlined. We have, again, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So our line is going to go between our two consonants. So when we have that digraph like that, if it makes a digraph makes one sound, comes together to make one sound, so it counts as one consonant when we're doing our patterns. And then we have our combination OR. And our AN gets a brev too. Number 19 is phrase. We underline our digraph. Here we have A, consonant E. The E is sneaky, it gets marked off, and the A gets a macron. And our last one, number 20, is dolphin. I love dolphins. Dolphin. Again, we have that PH there, and so it's a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, which makes our line go in between our two consonants. Here we have vowel consonant gets a brev, vowel consonant gets a brev. All right, draw a line over to which picture matches the word. Alrighty, our next group of words, number 21 is classmate. This is a compound word, so we'll just draw a line between class and mate. Here we have a K back on our C. We have vowel consonant. Our A gets a brev. Here is vowel consonant E. So our E is sneaky, gets marked off, and our A gets a macron. Number 22, finish. Here we have vowel consonant vowel. So again, we would say, is that we're going to be finish or finish? Since it's finish, we need to draw a line between the middle, the consonant, and then the last vowel. Here we have vowel consonant gets a brev, vowel consonant gets a brev, and our SH blend gets underlined. Number 24 is not what we're on. We are on number 23. And it is bloomed. We're going to box off our ED suffix. We're going to underline our OO digraph. That's all we have to do on that one. Easy peasy. 24 is hair brushes. Ooh, big word. Hair brush is a compound word. We'll box off the ES suffix at the end. We'll draw a line between hair and brush. Here we're going to underline our AR digraph, cross off the I, A gets a macron. We're going to underline our SH digraph. Here we have vowel consonant, it gets a brev. And that's all we're going to do with that one. 25, keyboard. Again, a compound word, key and board. We're going to draw a line between them. Here we have our EY digraph where the Y gets marked off and the E gets a macron. Here we have our OA digraph. A gets marked off. Our O gets a macron. Go ahead and make sure you have all of that down. All right, on our worksheet, we are going to read the paragraph and answer the questions. I'll see you guys next time.